Hi, so I'm here to share about how I actually remove stubborn tar from my vehicle or from my car because a few months ago I actually passed through a road that was being maintained by the local contractors and they were resurfacing the road. So they happened to be spraying tar and I happened to pass by. So some of the tar actually got to my car and it was pretty bad because the tar was like a big splash on my car. So I didn't know what to do. I was thinking of sending it to a salon, but I didn't have time. So after a while, I decided to do some search on Google, find out how to remove tars from cars myself, because sending it to a car salon will actually cost more, and then it needs time, and then sometimes I think that they might not do a proper job. So I decided to try this using something we call as WD-40. So what is WD-40? WD-40 is this product. Yeah, I don't know what's the brand. Maybe it's WD-40. But this product is used to actually soften components or joints that are rusty. So I've actually had this for quite a while. You can see it's already rusty. This has been years. I've been keeping this for years. I've been using it a bit, but not as much as how I'm going to use it today. So I've been using this to remove, not to remove, but to soften up joints, to remove rust. So I saw on YouTube that they were using this also. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it works. So to be honest with you, this video is actually done after I've tried this method. So I know it works. So I'm just going to prove to you that it works. So do watch what's going to happen after this. Okay, so this is one of the part of the cars of my car that is really hit hard by the tar that was from the road. So I just spray this WD-40 on it, okay, and then we're just going to leave it for a while. Okay, as you can see, I'm spraying it right here. Okay, it's a bit raining now, so yeah, it's going to be mixed with water, but that's okay. Just leave it for a while, and then as you can see, if you look closely, the tar are starting to remove or starting to become looser. So just leave it for a bit, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not so sure if this hurts the body of the car, but so far my car seems fine. So just leave it there for a few minutes. I usually leave it for like 2 or 3 minutes for it to dissolve, so that the chemical reacts into all the tar, and then I'll get a piece of cloth and I'll just wipe it off. So I'll show you after this, after I leave this for a few minutes. Okay, a minute has gone. So look at what happens to the tar on the body of my car. You can see it has dissolved quite well. It's already dripping through. I wouldn't recommend you leaving it too long because I'm not so sure what it will react to when it comes in contact with the body of the car. So it might be corrosive to the paint of the car, but then again, this is something that I tried and it seems to work. So I'm just trying it out, and as you can see, I'm going to wipe all of this. Okay, one wipe and you see it's all gone. Okay, one wipe is all gone. So the tar all gone. Okay, so this one is a bit stubborn, so you might want to wipe it a few times. Okay, so I wouldn't want to force wipe this stubborn tar. So usually I'll just respray it again to wipe it off, to dissolve the tar again. So that's how I got rid of the whole body or the whole tar mess on this side of my car. So there you have it, guys. Just a simple sharing about how I removed tar from my car. Actually wanted to do it in the car salon, wanted to pay someone to do it, but I figured if I'm not watching, I'm not looking at them doing it, because usually when you remove tar the correct way, it's using polish, which they say will not damage your car or the body of your car. But then again, when you leave your car for 2-3 hours in the car shop, car salon, sometimes they just take it the fastest way and then they polish it after that for you. So you wouldn't know if they're using any other chemicals that are not safe for your car. So I thought might as well I do it myself. So if the body of the car does get damaged after this, there's no one else to blame but myself. So try this trick if you want to remove tar from your car. But then again, I do warn you that there is of course some risk involved, because I do not know how the chemicals of this WD-40 will react to the car after a long period of time. But for a short term, it works. And for me, if let's say it does cause the body to become bad or damaged, I'll just respray the whole body. Anyway, so that's all. Thank you very much. And if you want to buy WD-40 from online shops, the link is in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day and good luck.